Hey, thanks for taking a couple of minutes to let me share with you. First, let me say Happy New Year. Secondly, I want to just thank you as well for your participation and support of Kingdom Training Institute. It's been an awesome privilege and pleasure just to share with you some of the courses and workshops that we've done over the years. And I wanted to take a couple minutes to let you know about what we're planning for 2019. Starting this coming Sunday, we're launching a new course called The Prosperous Soul at 4 p.m. on Sunday afternoons for the next 8 weeks or so. We're going to be going through a course that was actually comes out of Bethel Church, and we did this probably 5 or 6 years ago. Very powerful, and it basically will help you to get breakthrough in this area of prosperity in your life. And we know the Word of God says that He wants us to prosper and be in good health even as our soul prospers. So it's way more than just financial prosperity here. But that's a big part of this course, teaching on how to be released in the dreaming, the visionary aspect of who you are, how to overcome a poverty spirit, how to be free of mammon, right? All these different things that are part of being free to just do everything that the Lord has in mind for you to do. So hopefully you'll be able to join us. It's free. We'll just be taking up an offering each week. And then the next one we've got going is our transformational leadership course that Gary and I started back last year, I guess in October or November. And the whole idea here is we want to equip you to be successful in whatever arena you have been called to. You know, leadership is influence, and we all have influence over some folks in our life. That makes you a leader. So this course gives you practical tools and tips on how to be the most effective servant leader that you can, and just represent the kingdom with excellence in, as I say, whatever area that you've been called to. Then on January 12th, I'm bringing back a workshop that I haven't done for years, but I felt like the Lord said, it's time. Your New Year's revolution is a new way of looking at resolutions. In other words, we want to help you to craft goals that will be attainable, that you can actually accomplish this year, especially those goals that the Lord's been highlighting for you. Teach you how to build a structure in your life that will practically guarantee that you can fulfill those goals and just accomplish the things that you're supposed to in 2019. Then we've got our chaplaincy training course, which starts in February. This will be our 3rd year of presenting this course, and so many folks have been so blessed to be able to do this and actually become credentialed, become certified chaplains through KTI. Opens a lot of doors for ministry. So that'll be the 2nd. It's an 8-week course, and you can go on our website to get all the details and to register. I wanted to also let you know about this online course that I have established, where it's 11 videos with notes and questions, but you can also connect with me. Right? It's a way for us to have periodic phone calls as you go through the course so that we can talk about what you're learning and really dig into it and see how you can apply these changes that need to happen for you to be the most anointed, powerful leader that God's called you to be. And then finally, just check out the website. We've got a lot of things going on, and you'll see a calendar right there on the front page that gives you a rundown of the things that we're doing. Also, keep your calendar free for February 1st. We're hoping to launch our first regional night of worship on February 1st. So thanks so much for taking a few minutes again to just hang out with me, and look forward to seeing you at one or more of these KTI events coming up. So till then, you be blessed.